Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a marinade, black diamond steak marinade. Now, the marinade seasoning that I'm using actually comes from a company called Venison Vultures. You see right here, they have a website. Really nice website actually. And Venison Vultures got started as doing premium spice blends for doing your own processing. So this is geared more towards game in mind, but it's certainly doable with beef or pork or basically anything. To give you an idea, some of their blends include bologna, garlic bologna, hot dogs, hot sausage, jalapeno bologna, jalapeno kielbasa brat blend, oh yeah, jalapeno kielbasa stick blend, jerky, kielbasa brat blend, kielbasa sticks, sweetmeat stick blend, venison maple bacon. I mean, good stuff. And I'm going to add that I've sampled some of this from the guy who does this, including even goose jerky and stuff that was actually really quite good. That's saying a lot because sometimes doing game like that is difficult. You know, I cook a lot of game. I don't currently have any moose or venison steaks in my freezer, so I actually went to the store and got on the quick sale list sirloins. Sirloins aren't as tender and they're on the edge, so they're perfect for doing a marinade like this. And it's pretty simple. This bottle, the contents with a cup of water, with 1 cup of water, will do 4 to 5 pounds of meat. I've got about 3 pounds, so I'm going to do about half of this, and we're going to let this marinate overnight, and we'll fix us up some black diamond steaks tomorrow. I'll show you the meat, and we'll get it together. There it is, and I'm going to mix it up and get her marinating. This is just a quick look of what the blend looks like. It smells heavenly. This will make the meat really, really dark. That's why they call it black diamond. So just be prepared for that. Make sure it's all dissolved. Look at that. It is dark. We're going to put that in the fridge overnight. If I get up here during the night, like I usually do at least once, I'll flip her over so it gets an even marinade. But we're going to give this Black Diamond Marinade by Venison Vultures a try, and let's see what tomorrow brings. I'm looking forward to this. This ought to tenderize it. It also gets out any gaminess from game meats. The enzyme, it's really a good looking and smelling blend. So we'll give it a shot and see what tomorrow brings. So my steaks marinated overnight. I'm going to take them out here and we're going to get them on the grill. They're getting there. Okay guys, moment of truth. See how this goes. Wow, that cuts like butter. You see how it looks. Let's see how it tastes. Oh man. That is really delicious. And this was that piece of sirloin that was on the quick sale list that was on the edge, and wow, it did a fabulous job. Here's what it looks like. Once again, this is the seasoning. Venison Vultures. Look them up. They have a really nice website. Their products are really good. These are really nicely made spices, and they're great blends for doing your own processing and making your own meat blends. So give them a shot. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. If you guys also know of other PA small businesses or producers that have things that I'd be interested in, let me know. I am truly looking for some artisan cheese shops here in PA. There aren't nearly as many of those as used to be when I was young. So if you can get me on to some cheesiness, that'd be great. Today I'm actually wearing Golden Age Cheese Company, which is actually up on my farm in New York State, as you can see. And they have fabulous cheese. Actually, a lot of their cheese is what supplies Boar's Head brand deli cheeses. They also have Jurassic cheddar, aged sharp cheddar. Oh my God, it is so good. You got to try it. They also have a website. Check them out. But for the Black Diamond, yeah, this is the nuts. Give it a shot. Venison Vultures. Check them out. They have a really nice website, and all their stuff's on there. And they give instructions, but it's super, super simple, as you can see. So, get grilling, make some Black Diamond steak. See you next time.